Hello, everyone. My name is Alexandra Willis, but most call me Lexi. I am an English and communication major, and this is my first YouTube video ever, so I'm a little nervous, but I will try my best. So today we're going to be talking about culture. I got a definition for culture. The definition I got is culture is defined as a social behavior and norms found in human societies. It is learned behavior of a group of people that are generally considered to be the tradition of that people and are transmitted from generation to generation. So, what culture means to me personally is culture is something that defines you. It lets people know who you are, your values, as the definition stated, your beliefs. It tells people about you, like maybe what type of things that your culture places a great deal on. Maybe it talks about, like, we get into like religion, sports, food, clothes that maybe your culture wears, and maybe clothes that maybe your culture doesn't want to wear or chooses not to wear. But these are all things that define who you are and lets people know about the people that you share these beliefs with. So my culture, my background is Jamaican and American. My mother is Jamaican and my father is American. But I was raised primarily by my mother, so I'm more comfortable talking about Jamaican beliefs. So I will share some of those with you. So some areas that I wanted to highlight are religion, food, sports, and family. So we're going to start off with the religion first. So I was raised with a Seventh-day Adventist background. My mother originally was not Seventh-day Adventist. She was Anglican in Jamaica, and then when she came to America, she converted to Seventh-day Adventism. So that's why I'm a Seventh-day Adventist now. 80% or more than 80% of the people are Christian in Jamaica. So as you can tell by that, Christianity or being a Christian is something that is placed a very high value in Jamaica. Most people in Jamaica are Anglican, Catholic, Seventh-day Adventist, and then a large portion are Rastafarian or practice Rastafarianism. For food, this is our national fruit is ackee, and I actually have an ackee here. If you can see it, this is what it looks like. Typically that's eaten with codfish, but we call it saltfish. It's typically eaten for dessert. Not dessert, for breakfast. And but it's also like you can eat it during the course of the day. It's perfectly fine. Other common dishes that you may or may not heard are, jerk chicken, curry chicken, rice and peas, oxtail. We also have a large variety of fruits. We have, mangoes, papayas, bananas, but also we have some fruits that maybe you haven't heard of, like sweet sap, sour sap. We have jackfruit, star apple, custard apple. There's a variety. There's many fruits. Like way more than I can mention in this video. So the next thing that I want to talk about is the sports. So we all know the popular athlete Usain Bolt. So from that we can guess, or we can tell that track and field are things that Jamaicans take very seriously. A lot of children from a very young age are involved in sports like track and field, or even if you're not involved in track and field, you do some kind of running activity. Another popular sport that Jamaicans also do are cricket, netball, which are typically played by women, boxing, and a variety of water sports. Education is also seen as a necessity it's expected of you to go to school and to achieve higher education. It's seen as like you need that to be successful. Like you can't be successful without education. So it's seen as a priority by many Jamaican homes, especially, well, my home. The education follows the British system. So that kind of gives you a bit or an idea of where or how the educational system is and how it kind of differs from the educational system over here. I've been asked by a few people, I don't know if it's a joke or not. Probably is a joke. If there's only black people in Jamaica, like people of my complexion. And I had to tell them, our Jamaican motto is out of many, one people. And that means that, there are a variety of people in Jamaica. We have Chinese, Asian, Spanish, mixed, not necessarily black and white, but still mixed. Indian, you have people of my complexion, as well. So we have a variety of people, and I think that's something that we can appreciate about the country, because it's not one thing. We appreciate variety, we appreciate diversity. We are not we're inclusive of all groups. So I think that's we also have Caucasians there. I know, like, the stereotype is, oh, like they wouldn't go there, but we actually do. And so my point in that is that, we are very diverse, and we try to make sure that everybody is included, because we try not to exclude. We see value in diversity. Hopefully this video was helpful for you to get to know me a little better and about my culture. I hope I explained everything well. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and you will be seeing more. Thank you.